You guys remember what I said about everybody got all quiet and listen to Ken, okay?
Right.
All right, I am at the Sky Harbor Airport Control Tower, and this is in
You want to press 19?
I felt kind of sad.
All right, thanks.
Wow, blue
There you
LED.
go. All right, that's good. It'll go.
What kind of elevator is this?
It's in Arizona Elevators. Do you know what kind of elevator
I
this is?
don't. I know that it was out for a month and I had to walk 19 stories for a month.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
It was terrible.
I had to walk 10 floors.
Yeah.
Arizona Elevator Solutions.
It's
Yeah, you know that you can film me if you
That's what
want.
they were saying. Yeah.
Pressing that is going to
Right?
make it go any faster.
I know, I just like pushing the fixtures, that's all.
Literally the longest elevator.
I think they probably should have put more
elevators in here when they were building the
Right?
So I'm not allowed on every floor. Some of these floors are for maintenance people and they have a secret badge to press. They hit this and then some of those other buttons will work.
It's an RFID or an HID.
There's
an
off my office,
HID.
You
2017.
film me?
Hewlett
No.
There's offices, but then there's a bunch of plus
I don't want
stuff for
to film you
maintenance and
because-
whatnot that they do.
copyright reasons.
All right, guys, you ready to
Oh,
go?
not copyright
Yep.
reasons.
Whoever's the last one out, press the one button. Okay.
Look, it's not yet. I got it. Go out. Oh, no.
Excellent. All right, let it go.
I'm with the button. I'm with
All right, guys.
friends.
So we got one more flight of stairs to climb,
Oh, great.
and we're going to be up in the tower, and you're going to see beautiful views up there. Okay. There's a catwalk that we're going to walk around. It's inside, and while we're out there, if you guys want to take pictures or whatever, you can. Okay, on the catwalk. Once we go up the last little flight of stairs, and there's people working, we need to be really, really quiet and no photographs. Okay. All right, because the people can't be photographed up there.
Did you guys hear that?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So we're gonna climb about, I don't know, maybe 25 stairs here. You guys ready?
Yes.
Not compared to the 300 stairs I had to climb.
All right, guys, here we go.
Okay, here
Evan,
goes.
one time I had to climb 10 floors of stairs.
Wow, that sucks.
It was like punishment day.
Yeah.
But that was a few years before I was into Go Anime.
Yeah. It smells like my old doctor's office in Charleston.
Wow.
Wow,
Go this way, guys.
these are the best views.
So pretty.
Just whisper, okay, guys? Just whisper.
It's so pretty.
Stop right there, buddy.
Oh, that's so cool. You can see the new concourse. Right there. There's South Mountain right there.
Yes. Only out here, though, okay?
Say again, calling Southwest 569.
Is this gonna go on YouTube?
Yeah, it is. It definitely is. And I bet this will get a lot of
Southwest
views.
569, can you give me that FOD report again, please? Southwest 569, Roger, looks like it's just right on the center line.
Guys, over there, that's where Southwest
There's
downtown Phoenix right there.
And then if you look over here, this turn, once we come around here, that's all brand new. They just built it.
Oh yeah, I know.
All right, come on, guys. Do you see right there with the American flag and the Arizona flag?
There's Delta.
Yeah. That's the fire department, so if anything happens on the whole airport, right there, that's where the fire department is. So they come and help us.
Wow. That's good.
I saw it from the Venetian in Las Vegas.
You flew what? Oh, the Venetian?
I went to actually went there
Nice.
for
Wow. Level 8.
Would you filmed the Venetian over there? I saw.
Yeah.
I've actually filmed the guest. I actually ridden the guest elevators there.
Yeah.
The elevators are nice there.
So, have you been in one of the service elevators in the terminal building?
No, I haven't.
You know there are service elevators in there.
You've been in the faster elevators there, right?
We have another elevator in this building that you might get to go in.
That's cool.
You know who maintains the elevators here?
Oh, he told us
No,
he,
no.
Well, I do know it's Arizona Elevator Solutions because it's generic and they make generic fixtures.
So our elevator went out yesterday and they had to stretch the cable 6
Oh my
feet.
God. I may pause the view here because I'm about to go out of memory.